Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Tawheedul Islam, and you?
My name is Muhammad Ismail Hussain. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Nurul Ahad, and you?
My father's name is Muhammad Mahinuddin. What do you live?
I live in Chandana. And you?
I live in Hal Shahar. Which madrasa do you study at?
I study at the madrasa of Shane Sahaba radiyallahu ta'ala anhu madrasa. And you?
I study of Madrasa Darus Sufah Model Madrasa. What class are you in?
I am in class 3. And you?
I am in class 4. What your madrasa principal name?
Our principal name is Hafiz Maulana Shirajul Islam Sahib. And you?
Our madrasa principal name is Hafiz Qari Jalaluddin Sahib. What your madrasa located?
Our madrasa located behind BJC Trans Chandanash Police Station. And you?
Our madrasa located at Halishar B Block, Chadagar. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
See you.
See you again.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.